Okay, and here we are at the last station, station 3. So we click on that. So, these trucs discussion. So you already have this, and I'd have the infographic from station 2 still open. So it's going to ask you questions, and you're going to answer them, and you're going to answer them in French. So before you start freaking out, just have to figure out using the vocab for the one. So it's tu te couches tôt. It's like, so we had that from yesterday's, and it was like, do you go to bed early? So your answer, oui ou non, yes or no. So each answer needs to start off oui ou non. And then it says pourquoi pas, why or why not. Now for that part, scroll down. You could say, oh, do you go to bed early? Oui, je suis fatigué. Yeah, I'm tired. Or non, j'ai beaucoup de devoirs. No, I have So you want to have, you want to use one of these to answer every one of your questions. So use this vocab to answer your questions, and then you're done for the day. Au revoir. À demain.